The following segment is sponsored by BST.
Our Business Forward segment is a partnership with BST & Company to help you make informed, confident decisions in both personal and professional business. Your federal tax deadline was pushed back to May 17th, meaning we're just a few days away from tax day. Joining us today is John Gross with BST to share some last-minute tax tips. So, John, you have to file by May 17th.
Actually, you can file an extension. As long as you file by next Monday, the 17th, you can extend the time for filing a return. You use Form 4868 federal and IT 370 for New York State. The thing to keep in mind, though, extending a return does not extend the time for making a payment. You have to have at least 90% of that tax paid in by the extension.
Well, I'm glad you bring that. What are some pros and cons of filing for a tax extension?
Well, the pros, of course, it gives you more time to figure out your total situation. The con, though, is that delaying could cost you money. Okay, so it could have a real effect on the stimulus payments that everybody's heard so much about. I had a client just recently who had a high tax year in 2019, which precluded her from getting stimulus payments. When we filed her 2020 return, which is the period at which they base all this information on, her income was substantially less, as is the case for many people, and it was entitled her to a recovery credit. In addition, she's also gotten the third stimulus payment, which just came out. So again, that's real money in her pocket.
Are there any last-minute tax tips for our viewers who are getting ready to file, or anything you can share on saving on our tax bills?
Well, again, once the tax year is closed, there's limited things you can do. But one of the few things you can do is put a contribution into an IRA. So again, you can put up to $6,000, $7,000 if you're over age 55, and that can get you a deduction and create some cash flow. If you're self-employed, consider what they call a simplified employee pension, which is a SEP. You can contribute up to $57,000 into that kind of vehicle.
All right. A lot of helpful information from John today. Thank you so much. And of course, for more information, head to our website, cbs6albany.com, and under community, look for Business Forward. We'll post the links there.